Hello everyone, welcome to I'll Sleep. I'm back with another speaking part 1 topic called crowded place. Examiner would ask you questions like this. What kind of places are often crowded? When was the last time you were in a crowded place? How do you feel when you were in a crowded place? Why do some people enjoy crowds while others don't? Here, I'm going to share sample answers of these questions by using some native vocabulary so that you can have an idea of making your own answers. So here is the first question.
What kind of places are often crowded?
Well, I would say in my country, shopping malls, sports venues, movie theaters and religious places tend to be full of people. And like every country, bus and metro stations are always jam-packed during the rush hour. Here I would say is a phrase which sounds like a natural filler for a speaker. And tend to means regularly or frequently behave in a particular way. Or you could say when something happens usually. It's regular, okay? You can use this verb in your speaking as well as in your writing. And be full of people and jam-packed both have same meaning here, that is overcrowded or extremely crowded. And rush hour, it may be either in the morning when people travel to work or in the evening when people get back to home from work.
When was the last time you were in a crowded place?
I guess it has been a month. I went window shopping with my friends on a weekend and when we entered into the shopping mall, we saw a bookstore insanely packed with people there. Window shopping means spending time looking at the goods on sale in shop windows, but don't want to buy actually. And packed with people is the another way to say full of people or overcrowded, right? And insanely is an adverb here which means in an uncontrolled manner. It means crowd was not in control, okay? Now the next question is,
how do you feel when you are in a crowded place?
I'm ambivert and I like to be a part of small crowd of my interest. But I would say when people are packed like sardines, it makes me feel a bit claustrophobic and terrible. See, ambiverts like to be with people and also enjoy their own company, means who have both introvert and extrovert personality. Okay? And packed like sardine is again the another way to say overcrowded where people can't even move. Okay? And claustrophobic is used when you feel uncomfortable in small and crowded space. Means you have a fear of closed or confined areas. And terrible means bad or unpleasant.
Why do some people enjoy crowds while others don't?
I really don't know for sure, but I suppose it basically depends on their personality traits. See, people who are extroverts like to be in crowds, and those who are introverts, they can't put up with bustling and congested places, and they always try to find the serenity around them. You can use really don't know for sure when you don't have exact knowledge about something. It gives an expression to your language. And here personality traits means person's characteristics or qualities. And extroverts are those people who enjoy going out and talking to other people. Whereas introverts are those who are just opposite of extroverts. And can't put up with shows that they can't tolerate or accept. This phrase I have already mentioned in my earlier video on patience. Okay. Anyway, moving further, bustling represent here a place of full activity. And congested means full of people. And the last one, serenity, means peace, or you could say no trouble. You can use this word for any religious places like temple, church, or any natural or quiet place where you feel calm or peaceful. I hope you found this video helpful. For daily useful stuff, you can follow me on Instagram and take the advantage of everyday vocabulary there.